Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have an amazing review to show you about a product that I never knew existed until now. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this amazing company reached out to me. They asked if I would be willing to review one of their products, and once I looked at their website, I'm like, yes, please, and thank you. I am so excited to be able to do this review because these products looked so cool. I've never seen anything like this before. This is by a company called EP Design Labs, and they make amazing looking light bulbs that look amazing. Like, here's one that's a blue hydrangea. I accidentally clicked on it, so that's the one I'm gonna show you right now. But it's EP lights. I have two of them here to show you, but here is their website. I just wanted to show you their website. You can see all of these different amazing lights. And it was so hard for me to choose the ones that I wanted because they have so many different designs. They have holders, all kinds of stuff. Again, I will link them down below in my description box so you can go check them out for yourself and see these amazing lights. And I'm so excited to be able to show you guys this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox them. I'm gonna show you what they look like in daylight. Then I'm gonna go to a dark room where we can see what they really look like in the dark, and then I will be back to finish this. But I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? So this is what the box looks like. It is a light bulb. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. So here's what it looks like inside. I'm going to take it out of the package, but it is a nice and in there. And this one is Alice. So this one is the Alice and this one is the Flame. Again, it was so hard for me to decide, but I chose two different ones that are two different sizes and two different colors to show you guys two completely different variations of bulbs that they have. So let me go ahead and open this and get this out because, oh my gosh, I'm dying to turn these on and see what they look like in person. Because, oh my gosh, look at this light bulb. And I watched a video that these are crack resistant, probably to a certain extent, but you can drop this bad boy and it's a-okay. There you go. I was so excited. I was actually so frightened to do that, but it worked. This is like a hard resin, and I'm going to assume that it just has like little lights in here that will reflect, but look at this light bulb. Look at this light bulb with all the different colors inside. I know I have my lights, so I can't wait to get this lit in the dark to show you guys. Now, they did send me a base, and let me show you. Okay, so you charge it by, I guess, USB. They have different bases. They even have some that look like really cool old lamps that I would love to have. So I might be checking that out and purchasing that one for the other one because I have two light bulbs and one base, and the other base looks amazing. Let me show you. Oh, this one looks, oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Okay. They have some really cool artwork designed ones too that get a little pricey, but they have less expensive ones. Like, here is the retro light base, and this is like one that I was kind of like thinking of. Can I go big? Can you go big? Can you go big? No. I don't know, but see how it looks? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is one of the bases that I guess this is one that it's designed to where it can lay like this. So it goes upside down. So it looks like modern art. Ah, this is amazing. And it has the USB where you can charge it. And how do you turn it on? So I guess I need to charge it because I think you turn it on and off right here, and it's not turning on and off. So I guess I need to charge it probably. So I will charge it and then be back anyways. But let me go ahead and get the flame one out. You guys, I'm so excited to see what these look like. They look amazing on the website, but you know how things are. When you look online, they could look so cool, and then you get it and it's like, what? So I'm really hoping these stay looking so cool. So this one is the flame. So I got the 2 different sizes. They even have a one that's like shaped like a normal, a smaller light bulb, but I wanted to get 2 different ones to show you guys the difference. And this one is the flame. Look it. That's just so pretty. How, I don't understand how they do that, how they make them, but that's their secret, not mine. So this one would go in here as well. Don't fall. If it falls, it's okay because it's not gonna break, but you know. So, and you can put these in like normal lights if you want as well. So I'm so excited. So this is the unboxing of what they look like. And then I will go ahead and drop in a video of what these look like actually lit. Okay, you guys, so I have the base actually plugged in so we can get the full light capacity. There's the light, and we're kind of like in medium daylight right now. So this is what it would look like if you set it. And then if we want to go full dark, there's what it would look like. This is just absolutely stunning. It's just so pretty. I love all of the colors and the different angles. You can get different lights, different variation of the light that gleams through. So here is the first one. Then let me get us some light again. And let's put in the second one. So regular daylight, not too bad. It looks very pretty with all the different blues and greens. And then nighttime. That is just so pretty. Of course, the lights shine a lot more when it's a dimmer or darker light setting in the room. But even just as like a conversational piece to sit in your desk or anywhere, this is just a really pretty bulb, and I think it's just beautiful. Look at all the different colors inside. And then so you can get up close with this one. They do work when you actually put them into an actual light bulb socket. And that is just, so you can put this in any type of a light. I just have this in like a hanging one currently just to show you guys, but any desk lamp or regular lamp, anything, it would be able to just work in just like that. So again, you can use the actual stand that it comes with, or you can stick it in your own lighting or your own lamp or anything like that. That just takes a regular light bulb socket. But just how pretty. So apparently what it has is LED lights that are in the very bottom, and that's what works off and shines through the bulb that is non-breakable. Because again, it's not breaking, you guys. Even this one, not breaking. So you can put this in a normal light like this, or you can have it sit on this stand. It doesn't go that way. It goes that way. These are so different, so unique. Thank you so much for sending me these to review. I am so glad that I have these. These are so different. I've never seen anything like this in my entire life, and I'm so glad to now have them in my possession and see how they work, and they're so cool. I loved how they looked when they were lit up. Did you guys like that? I mean, that was just amazing. I love these. So Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of these? Again, I will link them down below, their website. You can go take a look at all of their different styles and colors and variations and bases and all of that stuff. So check them out. Go ahead. The link is down below. And these would make amazing Christmas gift ideas. Definitely, especially even if your kid needs a nightlight, or your boyfriend or your husband or your girlfriend or your wife or your mother or your daughter or your sister or your brother, whoever, these would make amazing gifts for Christmas. You can get a cool little base. You can get one that you twist in, or this kind, and then one light bulb if you want. They do sell them cheaper in sets if you get the stand with the bulb. So definitely check them out. Keep in mind, amazing gift ideas, and they're non-breakable, you guys. So awesome. So again, thank you so much for sending me these. I'm so glad to have these. This is so unique, so exciting, and I love it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.